Here's another one of my diecast models. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT Road and Track, 1/24 scale, made by Maisto. The door is open, and the hood opens, showing the details of that Hemi engine. The interior, of course, is a replication of the real thing. Now the trunk looks like it might open because of the deep set grooves here, but it does not. Anyway, this does show the nice looking rear end treatment. This is in factory colors. A real nice diecast model to have, including the shaker hood scoop to accommodate that air cleaner. Nice factory wheels. And the underside is detailed, showing the bottom of the engine and the transmission, drive shaft, differential, gas tank, exhaust system. Real nice model to have. So, thank you for viewing this model.